guys. Is it a bit too close up? So good afternoon. It's about 2 p.m. right now. So I'm gonna do an eating video. So today I cooked some ginger beef with some leek, and yeah, my dad wanted it because he bought some beef, so my husband helped me slice it before he went to work because I don't know how to slice it very thinly. And then I also just cooked some vegetables, just some long beans. But before I eat my rice, I want to eat some cornflakes, Cocoa Pops. Yeah, I just felt like having some cereals because yeah, I just felt like having it. So I've got a glass of milk here. Sorry if this is too close up, but I just want it so that you can see my food. I wanted it that way. So I have a cup to put my Cocoa Pops. Oh! My mom bought the variety one, like you know, they have like 6 varieties in one pack. So I actually prefer Frosties, but I don't know, I just felt like having Cocoa Pops. So I'm opening it. I have to use my teeth. I don't have a scissors around. So I'm just gonna pour it in a cup. You know what? Just pour it in. Sort of like my breakfast, brunch, before I eat my rice. I'm pouring the milk. Ooh. But that's a lot of milk. Yum! It's been so long since I've had Cocoa Pops. Cocoa Pops. Says here it's made from real grain, also good for vegetarian. But I'm no vegetarian. It must be hard to be a vegetarian, huh? I don't think I can live without any kind of meat. I think I tried being vegetarian or something in my teens, I think, but couldn't help it. Almost done. Great. A WhatsApp message came in, and usually when a message comes in through the WhatsApp or any kind of message, the video automatically closes. I think I'll just oh no. So that's done. And now for rice. I already made the video on the ginger beef. It's actually my husband's recipe, and my dad really likes it, so of course he expects me to cook it. So I had to ask my husband how to cook it because I don't know. So yeah, he didn't show me, he just told me what to do, what's the steps and everything. So yeah, so it's it turned out alright, but not as great as my husband's, but it's alright, I guess. So anyway, happy weekend to you guys. So as usual, it's a weekend. It seems like I've been going through a lot of weekends and not really doing anything. That's alright. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna eat. So ta-da! Can you see what I cooked? So that's the ginger and all that. That's the beef, the sliced beef. And then we got some vegetables, the long beans. So I'm eating in a bowl. I don't know why, I just felt like eating it in a bowl. So it's like a Chinese style kind of food also. Yeah. So let's dig in. It looks delicious. Yum. Not bad at all. It's yummy with rice. Look at that. It's like gravy. See that? for water as usual. Actually, my dad said I forgot to put one ingredient, which is pepper. But when I asked my husband, in his recipe, there's no pepper at all. I don't know, maybe I guess my dad likes pepper, so he was thinking that I was gonna put pepper. But you can actually add on yourself, but then not bad. When I say not bad, does that mean I'm a good cook? That's a lot of ginger. Just mix it together. I think it'll taste better when we mix it together. It doesn't look like much, but it tastes good. Just have to mix it. I think I can get used to this. Maybe next time I can improve on maybe the seasoning. Long beans is yummy. Long beans. Green beans. But my family has gotten used to my cooking now, so since I'm the only one at home that can, besides my mom, that has to cook. Almost done. Yummy. Either I'm really hungry or it's tasty. Either I'm kind of hungry or it's kind of tasty. Look at that. Yum. And the rice was the Thai fragrant rice was so good. I sometimes like to smell my plate or whatever that I finished eating. It's just like some kind of satisfaction. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Ah. Yummers. Okay, let's go to sleep. Since I'm on a bed, might as well go to sleep. Wow, that feels good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, that was a very satisfying lunch or brunch. That's all. Thank you for watching. Oh, I thought. Alright. Thank you for watching, and also thank you for subscribing my channel. So yeah, happy weekend. Bye.